Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you guys how to Remux recording in OBS Studio. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorial. Okay, now open my OBS. Go to the file. Remux Recording. Press this. And then press these three dots to select file from your computers. And then see which your output is. My output is at the video and then OBS this test. Okay, open. Okay, now it's become mp4. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now we press Remux. Recording Remuxed. Press OK. Okay, now go to our file, check. Yes, it's this. Okay, let's see. Now this is in mp4. Okay, done. Okay, now we are done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my video and share this video. Thank you.